Lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if it's the first time here. I am Shauna, but you can call me Shaunz if you don't know who I am. Welcome to my channel, a very warm welcome. Make sure that you stick around and check out my other videos, and of course, if you are not subscribed, make sure that you do so before you leave. I greatly appreciate that. And of course, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you like anything in this video, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know if you're feeling these videos. Of course, let me know in the comment section anything that you think of course, let me know in the comment section. That's where we keep the conversation going. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few things that I picked up over the weekend, and it's a few personal bits and makeup and beauty and stuff like that. You'll see as I go along. But I just wanted to share this video with you guys because, we got to share as girls. We got to share as beauty influencers and all of that good stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Superdrug. And I think I picked up something else from another store, but it's mostly from Superdrug. And if you're in the UK, you might be familiar with this drugstore. It sells a lot of makeup and beauty stuff. So, and of course they're affordable. So I always go in and check out what they have. So if you want to see what's in my bag, if you want to see my goodies, keep on watching. Okay guys, so as I said, it's going to be a mixture of beauty and makeup and skincare and stuff like that. So let's just go ahead in no particular order and pick out some stuff. Now you guys know that I've been raving about the Revolution brow pencil, so I went ahead and I picked up 2 of them because they run out really fast, so I had to get 2 of them. And I picked up the shade medium brown, which looks like this. I'm going to take it out and swatch it so you guys can see it. But it comes in a box like this, and it's their duo brow definer. Now I picked up the dark brown, which I did in a previous video, and I told you that it was too dark, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch the dark brown for you guys. So this is the dark brown, and I'm going to compare it with the medium brown. So that's what the dark brown looks like, you guys. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch the medium brown so you guys can see, as a reference if you want to go and pick it up at Superdrug or any other store that sells Revolution products. Now this is the medium brown, you guys. So this is the medium brown, and these are so affordable, and I think they're really good. And this is the amount that you get, you guys. This is the amount that you get. So I think it's a good enough product. So this one right here is the medium brown, and this one right here is the dark brown. So this is the one I use because I like my brows to be a little bit lighter. And also for reference, if you use the Rimmel brow pencil, where is it? I can't find it, you guys, but I will leave it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see the different shades. But I prefer to use the medium brown from the Revolution brand. So as I said, I picked up 2 of them just in case. And then I went ahead and picked up their Prime and Lock. This is their Prime and Lock primer. I haven't used it yet. I am really anxious to see how this works. So this is their Prime and Lock primer. And what does it say here? It says long wear eyeshadow primer. So let's see if it actually is long wearing. Another thing I picked up, you guys, from Revolution is their Supreme Dip Liner. And this is in the shade, it's the white one. I'm going to swatch it for you guys on camera so you can see it. But this is what it looks like. It's their liquid liner in white. And I can see I'm going to find a lot of use for this pencil right here. Well, it's not a pencil, it's like a liquid liner. So this one also is from Revolution. Guys, Revolution they have so much to offer. If you haven't tried them out as yet, you have to, because they're affordable and they have really good quality items. What else did I pick up? So I picked up this liquid liner from e.l.f. You guys know that I love this liquid liner because, as I said in a few videos ago when I did a winged liner tutorial, this gives such great precision. So if you're new in doing your winged liner, I suggest you try this out, and it's quite affordable as well. So I went ahead and picked up another one because the one that I was using is about to finish, and your girl has to re-up before there is no more in stock. So that is my liquid liner from Elf. Love it. Okay guys, so to finish off the makeup bit of this video, I also picked up the new Kat Von D foundation, and it's the True Portrait foundation. It comes in a box like this. It comes in a white packaging, and for a foundation being in a white packaging, girl, for somebody like me having foundation in a white bottle, let's see. But it looks like this, and it says liquid to powder foundation, so obviously you don't have to use powder when you use this foundation, and it's meant to be used on oily to normal skin. So this is what it looks like. So I saw my girl Glamour Guru Nay review this foundation, and she reckoned that she really liked it, and I decided to pick it up because I was, you know, on the market for a new foundation. So I saw this one and I picked it up. It's a little bit dark, but this will work when my skin gets a little bit more tanned. So I'm not gonna exchange it or anything. I'm just gonna wait until my skin gets a little bit darker. I did try it, and it gives a really nice coverage. It goes nicely on the skin, and you can use your fingers to blend it out. It's a really nice foundation if you're looking for a new foundation. Of course, I'm going to give you guys a more thorough review on this foundation, but as I said, it's the new Kat Von D True Portrait foundation, and this is in the shade Tan 076. So I've never used a Kat Von D foundation before. I have tried samples, and for the first foundation I thought it was a little bit too heavy, and it made my skin just feel like I was wearing tons of foundation. So I never really got any of that foundation, but I decided to try this one, and it's lightweight, and I just love how it feels on my skin. So I can't wait until my skin is a little bit more tan to use this foundation. But of course, I will give you guys a more in-depth review. And as for my makeup wipes, I love using simple wipes because I don't like to use wipes that has any kind of fragrance. So I always gravitate towards the simple wipes. They take off all of the foundation, and I always gravitate towards simple wipes. You guys might be familiar with this brand, but I do like their makeup wipes a lot, and I always, you know, get a lot of them. So I picked up this as well from Superdrug. Another thing I picked up, you guys, are these simple, I like simple a lot, are these simple brightening under eye hydrogel mask. So these are some eye masks. I haven't tried these before, so I'm excited to go ahead and try these out to see if they actually brighten your under eyes. So let's see how these work. I will let you guys know. So yes, I picked up these two eye brightening mask from Simple, and these are also from Superdrug. Okay guys, so my method of getting all the hair off my skin is usually waxing, but I do my body wax by myself. The only thing I do professionally is like my bikini area and, you know, that your lady bits, so I get that professionally done. But as for my armpits and my legs and any other hair I have on my body, I usually do that myself. And when I want a quick waxing job done, I go ahead and use the Veet waxing strips, and these are super easy to use, you guys. You just need to, you know, warm them up in your hands and then apply them to the area, and boom, the hair is gone. And this works really well for my skin when I can't be asked to go to the salon. I always gravitate towards the Veet waxing strips. I don't shave. I epilate sometimes when I can't find my epilator. I don't shave because whenever the hair grows back, I get hair bumps and the hair grows back too quickly. So I always do waxing, and this is what I use if I'm not going to the salon. I use the Veet waxing strips, and this has 20 wax strips in it. You can use it on your bikini area, I think. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to check that out. But I've never used it on my bikini area. I use it mostly on my legs and my arms, on my armpit area. So yes, I love using this, you guys. This is one of my favorite methods of getting the hair off my skin, to get my skin all smooth and nice. Okay, and as for my deodorant, I don't use anything fancy. I just go ahead and use these Sanex, and these are like £1, you guys, and I've been using these forever. A friend of mine recommended these deodorant, and I've been using them, I want to say, for about 6 or 7 years now, and I have no problems with them, and it works to me. I always pick up the different scents. So I have the green, I like the green and the pink. So these are the ones I always pick up, and as I said, you guys, they are £1 and they smell lovely. Especially, which one? I can't remember which one smells nice, but I think I like the green better, so I always pick these up for my deodorant. So yes, these are what I use as my deodorant. And as for my lotion, I always use Nivea. Nivea is the only lotion that works for my body. I bought one the other day because I go through them so quickly because my skin tends to get dry, so I always use the Nivea dry to very dry skin. That's what I use as my body lotion. I use this as my deodorant, and I use this to get my skin, you know, all hair free and smooth. And something else I've been using, you guys, that I want to share with you is the Dove exfoliating body scrub. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I'm going to show you guys in a clip. It makes my skin super soft and it smells so lovely. When I wash off the exfoliating cream from my skin just smells so lovely. So I'm going to show you guys in a clip, but that's what I've been using to, you know, keep my skin all exfoliated and smooth. And finally, you guys, for my hair care, I have decided to pick up some Cream of Nature. I want to give my Cantu products a break. I've been using them for so long, I am bored. I want to try something new. Even though I have used these before, but I don't think I've used this one in particular. It's the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream. I can't remember if I've used this one before. I might have used it years ago, I can't remember, but I just wanted to try something different, so I'm giving my Cantu hair products a break. And also I picked up the Length, Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. I use this a lot. This is nothing new to me. I just love how it makes my hair feel refreshed, especially when it gets dry. I just spray this all over my hair like so, and it just revives my hair and gives it that nice clean feel, and it also makes it, you know, moisturize as well. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. So I spray this on, I use this to kind of lock in the moisture, and then I use some oil, maybe some coconut oil or olive oil or argan oil. I use some oil to just lock everything into my hair. So yes, I'll be trying this, and I also ordered some other products from Cream of Nature. I'll be doing a separate video for that, so make sure that you guys keep an eye out for that video. So basically, guys, that's my haul. That's what I picked up over the weekend when I went for my little personal shopping. It wasn't a lot, but it's necessities, things that I need to, you know, use in the week and beyond. So I do hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notifications on, of course, so that you don't miss another video from Shaunz World. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.